City of St. George and Washington County leaders, along with executives from IRONMAN, gathered at the roundabout on Tabernacle and Main Street in St. George Monday morning to participate in a small celebratory ceremony for a new art installation that pays tribute to the spirit of sport, the optimism of art, and the legacy of Ironman triathlon competition in southern Utah. In September, Washington County will host the Ironman 70.3 World Championship. It will be the first World Championship 70.3 after the COVID-19 pandemic forced the cancellation of the 2020 event, which was to be held in New Zealand. Kevin Lewis, director of Greater Zion Convention and Tourism Office, spoke about the event.
And I think it's fortuitous that we are the community that is doing the championship race after the pandemic. I mean, we're a community who's been through tough things before. We know how to get through it, and we have this attitude of optimism and can do, and everybody pulls together. Ironman's mantra is anything is possible. Well, that just fits perfectly into what this community is all about. So yeah, we've got incredible energy for it. The community is starting to rally around it, and this signifies that it's legit, it's real.
The four-sided, three-dimensional Ironman M. sculpture showcases the three triathlon disciplines, swim, bike, run, and pays homage to the community that has hosted an Ironman or Ironman 70.3 event for over 10 years. The sculpture will remain in the roundabout throughout the year before finding a permanent home somewhere in the city. This is Holly Stark, reporting for St. George News, your #1 source for local news.